Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to study the concept of one and many. Okay, one or many क्या होता है? We all know what is number one. Okay, so this is going to be one, and many means जो एक से ज़्यादा है, which is more than one. So it can be two, it can be three, it can be 10, it can be endless. Okay, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? उसे many बोलते हैं. So we have one and many. So today we are going to study something about one and many. Now for example, I have markers over here. So what I will do, this is one marker, okay, and over here I am keeping two markers. Okay, I am keeping two markers. So this is one marker and this is going to be many marker. Okay, one marker and many marker. So what you will do over here, अब सपोज मैं यहाँ पे और एक मार्कर ला देती हूँ तो ये भी कैसा होगा? दीज आर थ्री मार्कर्स, सो इट इज़ मोर देन वन, राइट? दिस इज़ वन मार्कर एंड दिस इज़ 1 2 3. तो ये 3 से ज़्यादा है, इसके लिए हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे? इसके लिए हम इसे बोलेंगे मैनी मार्कर. नाउ लेट्स चेक अबाउट पेन्स. ओके, सो एनी ऑब्जेक्ट, कुछ भी हो सकता है, एनी ऑब्जेक्ट यू कैन take. Now if suppose I have one pen over here, okay, one pen over here and I have three pens over here. Okay, मेरे पास क्या है? मेरे पास I have three pens over here. Okay, so this is going to be one. Okay, this is going to be one and this is going to be many. This is going to be one pen and this is going to be three pens. Okay, so one pen and three pens. Okay, now ये तो मैंने आपको नंबर्स पे बता दिया कि बाबा इसे हम वन पेन बोलते हैं, इसे थ्री पेन बोलते हैं, बट वन एंड मेनी में हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव वन पेन, सो मैनी में क्या करोगे? मतलब थ्री है तो आप बोलोगे कि आई हैव थ्री पेन? नो, यू विल टेल आई हैव थ्री पेन्स. सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल डू PENS, पेन्स. आप सिर्फ ये पेन को क्या करोगे? एस लगा दोगे. तो वन पेन एंड थ्री पेन्स. ओके, वन पेन एंड थ्री पेन्स. अब ये पेन्स, इट कैन बी 4 पेन्स, इट कैन बी 5 पेन्स, बट जब आप बोलते हो आई हैव वन पेन, सो यू विल नॉट टेल आई हैव वन पेन्स. आप वहाँ पे एस नहीं लगाते हो, ठीक है? आई हैव वन पेन, आई हैव मैनी पेन्स. ओके, आई हैव मैनी पेन्स. देन suppose I keep one book over here, so this is one book, and suppose I keep two books over here. ठीक है, मैं क्या करती हूँ? मैं यहाँ पे two books रखती हूँ. ठीक है, I am going to keep two book over here, two books over here. So this is one book and this is two books. So how you will write for one? अगर आपको book लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? You will write one book and many books. ओके, सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है? एस लगाना है वेयर इट कम्स मैनी. ओके, देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन बॉल एंड आपको मैनी बोलना है तो व्हाट इट विल बिकम? बॉल्स. ओके, राइट. देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल वन पेंसिल, गिव मी वन पेंसिल. सो आप कैसे बोलोगे? वन पेंसिल. बट इफ आई वॉन्ट टू पेंसिल्स तो मैं कैसे बोलूँगी? गिव मी टू pencils. Okay, what I will tell? Give me two pencils. मैं give me two pencil नहीं बोल सकती हूँ because it is two, it is more than one. So I will tell you pencils. Okay, so if suppose I want to ask you for a pen, so if I tell I have one pen, I have two pens. Okay, I have one book, I have two books, I have one ball, I have two balls, I have one pencil, I have two pencils. ठीक है, तो जहाँ पे मैंने more than one count यूज़ किया, there I applied just S in the end. Okay, so today we are going to do in English one and many. So let me open that page for you. Okay, so here we come, one and many. So if you see over here, these are what? These are the buns, burger के जो buns होते हैं, ठीक है? So here there is only one, so one bun, so it is going to be one bun. So wherever there is only one count, तो वहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या आएगा, एस नहीं आएगा, वहाँ पे सिर्फ आएगा 1 बन. एंड नाउ इफ आई सी ओवर हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6, सो दीज आर मैनी बन्स एंड और दीज आर 6 बन्स. बट आप 6 बन नहीं बोल सकते हो, आपको वहाँ पे एस लगाना होगा बिकॉज इट इज़ मोर देन 1, राइट. सिंस देर आर 6 बन्स, सो यू विल टेल इट एज buns. So many buns, okay, because it is more than 1. Then this is what, this is a bat. So 1 bat, okay. यहाँ पे आप s नहीं लगाओगे, यहाँ पे simply क्या आएगा, 1 bat, because it is only 1. And let's count over here 1 2 3 4. It is more than 1, so it is going to be many. So you will tell either 4 bats or many bats, but we will apply over here many because वो एक से ज़्यादा है, तो इसके लिए क्या होगा, many bats. If you see यहाँ पे क्या आया है, यहाँ पे s आया है because it is many, okay. Then we have 1 kite, K-I-T-E, kite, 1 kite, 1 2 3 4, that is many kites, okay. If you see kite के सामने in the same spelling सिर्फ क्या लगा दिया है, s लगा दिया है, okay. Then we have 1 pen, already I showed you ना, 1 pen, 1 2 3 4, many pens, okay. Since it is more than 1, so it is going to be pens. Then we have 1 cup, that is 1, and then we have 1 2 3 4 5, so इसे क्या बोलोगे, many cups. You will put s where there is many. Then we have 1 tin, it is 1 tin, and then we have over here 1 2 3 4, so it is going to be many tins, okay. आप many tin नहीं बोलोगे, आप बोलोगे many tins. You will apply s in the end. Then 1 pot, this is 1 pot, and then we have 1 2 3, many pots, okay. So pot will become pots. So we have bun, buns, bat, bats, kite, kites, pen, pens, cup, cups, tin, tins, pot, pots, okay. So जहाँ पे many है, जहाँ पे 1 से ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पे आप क्या लगाओगे, in the end you are going to put letter s, okay. Similarly let's do this. So we have 1 doll over here, 1 doll, and 1 2 3 4 5, that is many dolls. If you see सिर्फ क्या लगा दिया है, s लगा दिया है. Then we have 1 bird, this is 1 bird, and this is 1 2 3, this is many birds, right. तो यहाँ पे क्या कर दिया है, s लगा दिया है. Then we have 1 boy, this is 1 boy, and this is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, these are many boys. Similarly we have 1 jug and many jugs. 1 van, 3 vans, so it is going to be many vans. 1 table, 1 2 3 4 5 6, more than 1, so it will be many tables. 1 star, 1 2 3 4, many stars, okay. So doll, dolls, bird, birds, boy, boys, jug, jugs, van, vans, table, tables, star, stars, okay. So this is the concept of 1 and many. So in many you have to just put what, you have to just put s in the end. Now for example add s to each word. कुछ नहीं करना है, ये जो word है उसके सामने सिर्फ क्या करना है, आपको s लिखना है, because this is 1 rat and these are how many rats, 1 2 3 4. So it is going to be rats, okay, because it is more than 1, so you are going to just put rats. So RAT and सिर्फ क्या लगा दोगे आप, s लगा दोगे because it is many. Then we have mat, ये कितना mat है, 1 mat, and this is how many mats, 4 mats. So this will be 4 mats. So you will tell 4 mat, आप 4 mat नहीं बोल सकते हो, many mat नहीं बोल सकते हो, आप 4 mats बोल सकते हो and many mats बोल सकते हो and 1 mat बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. Then we have 1 kite and these will be kites, KITES, kites. So it is very simple, आपको सिर्फ इसके सामने क्या लगाना है, s लगाना है because it is 1 and these are many. So rat, rats, MAT, mat, M-A-T-S, maths. Then we have K-I-T-E, kite, K-I-T-E-S, kites. Then we have pot, P-O-T, pot, P-O-T-S, pots. Then we have L-I-O-N, lion, and there are two lions, so it is going to be two lions. L-I-O-N-S, lions. Then we have one pencil, and over here we have 5 pencils. Then one queen, 2 queens. Okay, so I want you to complete page number 58 and page number 59, that is one and many. Okay, thank you.